Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a what's in my bag. So this is my newest bag to my collection. This is the Tory Burch Small Blake handbag. I purchased this at a Tory Burch outlet, and I believe it's an outlet only bag. I haven't seen it on the website. I got a lot of questions when I did my like unboxing slash review video. But I will leave that link below so y'all can get details. I can say I've been using this for about a week and I absolutely love it. I think that if they have another color in stock when I go back, either the camel or the black, I will probably pick one of those up because I love this. I think it's perfect. It's like a really good medium-sized bag, and that's what I've had my eye on. And then I just absolutely love the design. So let's jump right in and show y'all what I keep in here. So currently I don't keep anything in the middle. Sometimes I slide my phone in so I can easily find it, but generally I just slide it in wherever it fits and I can see it because everything's pretty much at eye level. So I mentioned in my review video that the Louis Vuitton pochette accessory fits inside of here, so it makes it easy to change bags. So there are a lot of bags that I don't take to work or use for work, and this is one of them just because I would have to carry so many. Generally I just like to use totes. So I am currently working from home, but I do go into the office maybe once a week, or it really all depends. Like this past week I did like 4 different office visits, so I was in and out of this bag, so it's nice that I can use my pochette accessory to store everything, and then I can easily transfer everything from this bag into my work tote, and that way I have everything that I need. And generally this pochette accessory holds my SLGs anyways, so everything that's in here generally stays in here, except for maybe my agenda. But I love that it holds this as well as the GM pouch that we're about to get into. But inside of here I have my car keys, and it's the same stuff that I keep in my bag. So my key holder, that is a card holder, my Chanel card holder that I use as a wallet, and then my Louis Vuitton small ring agenda, which is my on-the-go agenda. And in here I just have monthly inserts, meal planning inserts and ideas, and then travel inserts. And I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, there's nothing else in here. So everything kind of has its spot so that I can easily find what I need. And again, it's all in here so that I can easily go in between different bags if needed. So that is what is on the first side. My phone's on that side as well. On the other side, I have my sunglasses. So because the cosmetic pouch is kind of angled, they fit perfectly together over here, so I could fit my pochette accessory. Otherwise, if I just had this over here, I couldn't fit the pochette accessory in. So luckily these two fit perfectly fine together. So I just throw that on top, and I just have my sunglasses, and then my cosmetic pouch. And inside of here I just keep different items. So I did actually minimize what I kept in here because I was carrying a lot around, and that was primarily because I was traveling a lot, and so I had a lot of stuff left over from trips. So inside of here I have my double mirror, lip balm, UV essential, purse spray. This is the Coco Mademoiselle, hand lotion. And then I like to keep the samples in here that you get when you shop at Chanel and Nordstrom, and that way, one, I have so many, but two, it's also more compact and it's easier and lighter to carry around, especially in, you know, like a bag like this. So I just have a mascara, eye cream, base mascara, and another type of mascara. So that is everything that I keep inside of here. And then that is everything inside of this bag. So again, it's a medium-sized bag, so it doesn't hold that much, but really these are everything that I need. Generally, if I switch out of a bag, and into a tote, I'm just adding my laptop for work or like a notebook, but never really anything else. This is all of the essentials, which is why I love this new bag, because it's the perfect size. I love it because you can dress it up or down and it holds all of the essentials. But yeah, other than that, that is everything inside of my bag. And I know this was a short video, but that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.